Today we talk about how can you enable keep Waze on top on your Waze app. So you just follow this Waze, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on general here. So then you will find here keep Waze on top. Click in this side. Like you see here, so then you click on settings here. So it's going to take you to this list here, and you're looking here for Waze app. It's going to show for you like this, and can you enable it here? Then we will go back. You click on allow, and like you see, we found here keep Waze on top enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.